How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. How much do you need to spend for a nice, good budget microphone for your streaming, for your podcast, and so on? So Maono contacted me a few days ago and they asked me to review their microphone, which I have here, and I'll show you now. The USB market is very easy, should I say. There's a ton of microphones that you can choose. This video is not being sponsored, so they did send me the microphone just to review it for you today. I have it here. This is the Maono PM461S, I believe. This is the right model. Yeah, it's a PM461S. That's a great name. As you can see on the box, this microphone comes with a scissor arm, comes with a shock mount, comes with a really nice, interesting pop filter, and it's interesting to test it, and we'll see if you're gonna like this microphone. This microphone actually is very affordable. This microphone is gonna cost you about 49 British pounds, about $60 in the States. So on the back you have all the specifications here. So this is a Cardio 8 polar pattern. Also, like I mentioned, it's a USB. Some of the specifications are here. So let's read some of the specifications. So frequency response is 20 Hz, 20 kHz. Sensitivity is -13 dB. That's pretty much. But yeah, let's open it and let's see what comes in the box. We know what comes in the box, but you know. All right, so let's open it now and let's see now what comes in the box. So the first thing that you can see is going to be the user manual, as you can see here, with some interesting LED fleets with connectivity. This is plug and play microphone. It's very easy to use. If you're not happy about the company, there's a really nice card here that you can obviously, if you have any issue with the microphone, just contact the company. Let me leave everything here on the table, and then so let's start with the scissor arm. As you can see, pretty normal scissor arm. It's flexible, it's quite light, but again, this is a cheap microphone, but the sound matters, in my opinion. Also, we have the Type B to Type A microphone. The cable is about 1.5 meters, I believe. Nearly. Yeah, so it's about 1.5 meters, nearly 2 meters, maybe 1.5 meters. And this is very good here. We see this. This is gonna help you if you have any noises from the microphone. Yeah, so again, this is very good in my opinion to have on a budget microphone as well. And I really want to test this nice, and this is from metal actually. This is a pop filter that you can have here. We can demonstrate it in a minute. A pop filter, it's a metal, so this is going to help you with the plosives. Also, we have a shock mount. Obviously this is from plastic, but it's not bad in any mean. Shock mount, it's good. So this is going to help you with, depends where you use your microphone, where you place it on the desk. We're going to test that. We have the C-clamp. This is going to help you to place the microphone. Pretty standard C-clamp. They're not very good quality because all the weight of the microphone goes, so sometimes, I mean, it's not bad, but will do the job. And last but not least, we have the microphone. Actually, the microphone, I don't know if you can see, it's light, very light. This is a good and a bad thing. Good thing is that obviously it's easy to wear, easy to take the microphone. It's not heavy, but obviously this is made from plastic, but it's good plastic in my opinion. Also we have a knob here, I don't know if you can see, with a gain dial. So this is gonna help you just to manage your gain. Nothing else on the microphone, just volume control for the gain. And last but not least, we have a Velcro tie, should I say. So this is for the cable management. So you get this everything for 49 pounds. So let's plug it to my computer and let's test it. Alright, so now you're listening to the Maono PM461S. So the gain is about 12 o'clock. I'm recording directly from my MacBook Pro. Probably can hear some noise. Again, this is good just to help you with the noise floor. I mean, let me know what you think about the sound quality. I'm going to increase now a little bit the volume just to have idea. So I'm increasing the volume, watching the levels like going quite crazy, and this is quite low in my opinion. This is full. This is going to be very bad, but just to have idea, if you increase the volume up to max, and this is how it sounds. So yeah, this is perfect. So 12 o'clock is perfect. I think it's the perfect gain, volume, level. So there is no headphones for monitoring yourself, but it's not bad. Plus you get all these bits. So you get the scissor arm, you get the C clamp, very interesting pop filter. Let's try some of the plosives now. So let's remove it. Branded pop filter. So please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Okay, so let's put the interesting pop filter. Please bring. Oh yeah. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So at least you have idea how is the plosive situations. Let me know what do you think about this Maono PM461S. That's a very long name. Like I mentioned, this microphone has been sent to me. This is not sponsored video by any mean. Thank you very much for Maono for sending this microphone for review and tests. At least now you can have idea about the sound quality. Let me know what do you think. I think it's a decent microphone. It's not very expensive, and the more important is the sound. If you like the sound quality, if you don't want to spend a lot of money for audio gear, I think this is a very good buy. You get a lot of attachments for $55-60. Here in UK, this microphone costs 49 pounds. I know I mentioned that a couple of times, but if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what do you think. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, I will see you in the next video.